Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. Today I have for you a blind box opening. What's a subscription box opening? And it's a subscription box that I have watched 60 or 70 videos of. I've wanted a subscription box for over a year, but I don't know, I thought, what the heck does a 54-year-old woman want with this certain subscription box? Like, why? Why do you want it? I wanted it because I'm quirky and I'm fun. So this subscription box that I'm going to show you, I'm going to open, is called the Quirky Crate. Quirky Crate. Okay, I just ordered it this month. I decided I'm gonna order it. Let me just order it. Just let me have some fun. Okay, what I like about this, unlike other subscription boxes, is everybody basically gets the same thing. So having said that, I've held off on watching January's box openings because I want to be surprised. And I think I saw on Instagram a little teaser of what the purse is going to be, but I forgot what it was. So I am so excited to bring you guys, for the first time ever on my channel, on Amazon, Quirky Crate. Now, my Quirky Crate got damaged. It got ripped in shipment. But I am going to do for you guys. Well, I'm going to open this for you guys and show you what's in it. So I believe this Quirky Crate is 40 bucks. It's right around $40. And in it you get a piece of swag, you get some socks, you get a patch, you get a pin, you get a purse, and maybe some other items. And each box features a unknown or underground or some kind of artist, some kind of creator. Okay, so first thing I see when I open it, and I hate when other channels do this and show you, but I gotta show you. It says yay. Okay, it says yay. And it's in pink. Pink's my favorite color. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. Just gonna tear it open. I'm so excited. Okay, and it says, has this little thing. Oh, love is in the air. Okay, express air. Okay, this is telling you what's in it and how much it costs. Okay, Angela in the Fields. My name is Angela and I'm a print and graphic designer based in North London. Hailing from a classic fashion background, I specialize in vintage, trend forecasting, and retro prints. Name, cross between Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds and a fact that I live near the prettiest part of London called Highbury Fields. Oh, so Angela in the Fields, okay. I'm learning to see mistakes as a good part of life and my art as a part of it. Wonky lines, unfulfilled bits, and questionable anatomy always plagued me, so I decided to finally wholeheartedly and unequivocally embrace these quirks. Okay, so she must be the featured artist. Okay. Oh, so Love is in the Air is the theme, and the first thing I see is by Angela in the Fields is a card. So I adore you. Okay, so this is her little card. It's in a plastic thing. I'm not going to take it out. And her little, not her little, but an envelope. Okay, so I mean, you know, it's okay. Okay, second thing I see in here is practical measuring spoons and an egg white separator kitchen baking tool. And so it's in the shape of cherries. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. And here's the egg separator. Oh, that's neat. Okay. Does it have what's on it? Yeah. 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon. Why is the 1/2 teaspoon bigger than the other one? 1/2 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon. You know what? I think it has, I think they mixed up the names on here. Because this is a smaller one, so this should be half a teaspoon and this should be a teaspoon. But it says the opposite, but that's okay. But look at me, attention to detail. Okay. Okay, I think I saw this in somebody's spoiler. It says, I survived 2021, and boy, did I ever. So that's cute. Yeah, I was just talking to my girlfriend about this, how we love rainbows. And the socks this month are rainbow socks. Now, I don't know, my feet's kind of big. These socks look a little small, but oh, they feel really nice and soft. And what I like about it is that it's thin. I hate thick socks. I live in Hawaii. I do not need any thick socks, but these are super cute, super cute. Okay, next thing here in this bag. So excited. Okay, it's some kind of jewelry. It's like a little jewelry. Let's see what it is. I should put on my glasses. Let's see. My little cheaters. Okay, well, this is just a little, I mean, I wouldn't wear this, honestly, but this is cute. My granddaughter might wear it. You know what I mean? This is cute. Just a little necklace. I don't even know if it would fit my neck, but okay, it's not the best quality necklace, but look at how cute that is. I can hang that up somewhere. I can give this to my niece. I mean, my granddaughter. Or my niece. I have a little niece that she might like that. Okay, put that back in here. Oh, I don't know where these came from, but these look like 2 little cloud charms I have. Maybe they go on the necklace. Oh, sorry. 2 little cloud charms. I think they fell out of this bag. Okay, I'm seeing 2 other items in here. And I don't know what this is. I guess I should look at the sheet that tells you what it is. I'm gonna guess and say toothbrush holder. Let me look here. Cupid necklace and, oh, those are earrings? Okay. Oh, pencil cup. Pencil container. It says this is worth $10. I don't know about that, but I still like it. The Cupid necklace and earring set, it says it's worth $16. The Valentine by Angela Fields, $5. The rainbow socks, $8. I survived 2021 enamel pin, $10. Heart-shaped measuring spoons and egg weight separator, $13. And then for the last thing, which is the bag, it says it's an Express Air Mail purse and it's worth $40. Now, I don't think these things are really worth that much, but I do like it. I mean, I do like pretty much everything in the box. Now, the purse feels kind of heavy. I mean, there's some weight to this purse. Okay, oh, super excited. Oh, this is a cute purse. Look at this, you guys. Especially for you, Express Air Mail. And this is, you know, like a patch, and it feels really nice. It doesn't feel cheapy at all. And you open it up, it's a cute little purse, and it has a strap. I just hope this strap is long enough because I'm pretty tall. That's the name Amazon. Oh, shoot. It's in 2 pieces. Let's see. How do you do this? Oh, you have to put it together. You have to put it together yourself. You know, for the record, I don't really care for chain purse thingies, but let me see if this is gonna fit around me. It's kind of short, but I wonder if there's some place that I could order. Let me put these things in there again. I like this. Okay, so here's this little chain thing, right? And you stick it in the hole here. Okay, stick it down in the hole and then it'll catch when you pull it up. This has a little bird. I think that's cute. I want to try to find a way to make this strap longer because I totally would wear this. But see that, guys? So I can wear it like this and it's long enough. It goes down to my hip, but I prefer to wear it as a crossbody and it comes up to my tummy kind of. But very cute. I like the accents on the side. Very nice. Oh my gosh. So anyway, guys, this is my first Quirky Crate. And I'm going to keep ordering the Quirky Crate. And why am I having a hard time saying Quirky Crate? Quirky Crate. And I guess my hair is kind of quirky today. But I'm in love with this box. I'm going to try the socks on. Just so I'll tell you guys. Oh, shoot. Don't pull, Deanna. Don't pull. Cut it. Now I'll let you guys know if it fits my big feet. I was going to say I'll give it to my daughter if it doesn't, but she's got big feet too. Oh, no. This totally fits. Oh, my gosh, you guys. Oh, this totally... Oh, it's comfortable. Oh, this is so cute. I'd show you guys my feet, but I can't lift my foot that high. Oh, these socks are gonna do nicely. Oh, these socks are so cute. And they always say that they're not drawn on or printed on. The design is actually in the threads. I notice everybody says that in their videos. So I just thought I'd show you that because that is important. Okay, guys, let me know what you think of the video and the Quirky Crate. Hope everybody's having a great day. Take care. Bye.